You're so dirty, Barbie. I will shower and change your clothes. Ouch! Ew! Lisa, make me the house.
Okay.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Wow.
Great! Huh?
Oh no!
I also want to try taking the elevator.
Complete the house frame with cardboard and colored paper. I hope you like it. Make the kitchen cabinet. Apply glue. Combine the cardboard pieces. Cover with adhesive paper. Add the drawer. Create the tabletop. Amazing! Having a kitchen cabinet is incomplete without a gas stove. Next, we will make the gas stove. Cut the clay into a rectangle. Shape the gas stove. Add buttons. So cute! Spices are essential in the kitchen. Lisa, help me! Peel the food film. Stick the fish. Huh?
Hello, Barbie. Do you want to go out tonight?
Okay, Elsa, please pick me up. Huh?
Oh no!
Fried fish is burned. It's okay, we will eat pizza. Here you go. Ta-da! Very delicious.
Great!
We need a fridge to store food. Make cute chairs. Apply glue and cotton on top. Wrap around with fabric. Cut off the excess fabric. Wow! At the table, the pizza is so delicious. I want to eat it. Yay! Wow, the kitchen is complete. Add pepper, sugar, and a flower pot. Install the door. Add the second floor to the house. The kitchen is fully equipped. We can cook delicious dishes here. Make the wardrobe. Apply glue on the cardboard. Combine the cardboard pieces to form the wardrobe. Wrap around with adhesive paper. Make the dress with clay. Take a piece of clay. Wrap around the pink clay dress. Wow! Place the dress inside the wardrobe. bed. Apply glue on the cardboard. Add the cardboard pieces together. Wrap around with paper. Make the cushion. Apply glue. Add cotton on top. Cover with fabric. Cut off the excess fabric. Place the cushion on the bed. Make the bed frame.
The bed is so nice. I want to go to sleep.
We need a wall to separate the two rooms. Make the wash basin. Combine the cardboard pieces into a rectangle.
Great!
Place the wash basin and faucet on top of the basin. Add the walls and roof to complete the room on the second floor. Pour water into the swimming pool.
The swimming pool is so large. I want to jump into the middle of the pool.
Oh, wow!
Let's try the elevator together.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Wonderful! The two-story house with an elevator and swimming pool is complete.
I also want to try taking the elevator. Pizza is so delicious.